Ready, Betty? Let us solve today question 1, which is in addition. Solve 1 meters 80 centimeters plus 5 meters 90 centimeters. Here we have got two different categories, but for the same purpose, that is for measuring the distances, meter and centimeters. So first of all, let us make this table. In the first one we are going to write meters, and here we have written centimeters. Then whatever they are asking us to do, those figures we will have to enter below. Here we are entering 1 meters and 80 centimeters we are entering here. Plus. Second one, 5 meters goes here under meters and 90 centimeters goes here. Now in this type of a sum, you are going to add centimeters separately and meters separately. So first of all, let us add only centimeters. 0 plus 0 means 0 and 9 plus 8 means 17. So here we have got 170 centimeters. Now let us add meters separately. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 meters and 170 centimeters. Now Nani, you will ask me, why are you calling this as intermediate answer? Because now the relationship between meters and centimeters we have to deal with. Relation between meters and centimeter is like this. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Look at our answer under centimeters. We have got 170 centimeters, and hence taking into account this 100, we can write 170 in this fashion. 100 plus 70. Now 100 means 1 meter. Now once we say that 100 is 1 meter, we cannot place these 100 means 1 meter under centimeters, and hence we have to transfer that one to meters column. So here we have to write 6 plus 1. And since the transfer is complete here, what remains now under centimeters is only 70. So now our final answer is 6 plus 1, that is 7 meters and 70 centimeters. Now let us solve question 2 under addition only. Add 1 meter 80 centimeters to 5 meters 10 centimeters. Here Nani, you can see that everything shows two parts, meter, centimeter, meter, centimeter. So hence we have to go on making a table just as in previous case, meter, centimeter. And whatever they have given as data, that we will have to introduce it. So 1 meter 80 centimeter, 1 meter 80 centimeter, 5 meter 10 centimeters, 5 meters 10 centimeters. Now this has to be added. So centimeters we add separately and meters we add separately. So 80 plus 10 means 90 centimeter and 1 plus 5 is 6. Now in this case there is no intermediate answer. Why? Because 1 meter makes 100 centimeters and this amount, this figure is below 100. So there is no question of transferring it to meter, and hence this remains our final answer. Rani Betty, now let us take some examples on subtraction in measurement. Question 3 says, subtract 9 50 paisas from ₹14 60 paisas. So from this amount, this has to be subtracted. So naturally, this goes up. We draw a chart as usual. Write R and paisa here. R means rupees, we know that. And under it, first of all, we will write 14 rupees 60 under paisas. Then in the next one, we will be putting in rupees 9 and under paisas 50. Now here, Nani, as usual, paisas subtraction has to be done separately and rupees subtraction has to be done also separately. Now here we can see that 60 number is bigger than 50 and hence subtraction is possible here. 60 minus 50 means 10 paisas are left here. Now we come on rupees side. 14 minus 9, minus sign don't forget to write here, otherwise the whole thing has no meaning. So 14 minus 9 makes it 5. How? Let us revise it. From 4, 9 cannot be subtracted, so we are borrowing 1 from here and this one goes up here. So from 14 we have to minus 9 and we are left with 5. And 1 minus 1 is 0. So our final answer is 5 rupees and 10 paisas. Now the honey bunch, let us take another example in subtraction. Question 4 states, from 8 kg 150 grams, subtract 2 kg 700 grams. As usual, we make a table first. In one column we write kg, in another column we write grams, because that is what is given in the question. Now from this amount, this has to be subtracted, means minus. So 8 kg 150 grams, we have to write like this, and then on the next line we will be writing 2 kg and 700 grams. Minus sign we have put here, and we have to minus or subtract grams from grams and kg from kg. Now let us see. In grams, the upper one is 150 and the lower one is 700. That means from 150 we have to subtract 700. This subtraction is not possible because 150 is smaller than 700. Let us see what happens to kg. In kg, the upper one number is 8 and the lower number is 2. So subtraction is possible here. So something has to be done about this side. Now for that we will have to remember the relation between kg and grams. Relation is like this, 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. So what we are going to do? We are going to increase this amount. How? We will be taking 1 kg from this side and put it on the other side. We are putting 1 kg, that means we are putting 1000 grams here. So now this turns into 1000 plus 150, that is 1150. And we have to subtract 1 from here because we have taken away 1 kg from this side. Now problem becomes different only. 8 minus 1 is 7 and here we have got 1150 and the lower one is as it is, means 2 kg and 700 gram. So this has to be on the upper side, this has to be on the lower side, and as usual grams have to be subtracted separately kgs have to be subtracted separately. Now let us see the subtraction on grand side. 0 minus 0 is 0, 5 minus 0 is 5, and 11 minus 7 is 4. Here on kg side, 7 minus 2 is 5 kg. So our final answer is 5 kg 450 grams.